Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to try and solve the definition of locating the character A. It should occur once and only once. Now the solution that I'm going to show you in this video is using the indexOf. IndexOf is a string object method and it will return the position of the occurrence of A or any character for that matter if it is there in the string. It is a case sensitive search. So if you're looking for a character in lowercase and if it is appearing in uppercase, it will not be found. And if it is not able to locate a character, it is going to come up with the index value -1. Now, index of has two parameters. If you do not write the second parameter, the second parameter which indicates where to start the searching for, the default value is taken as 0, which means it will always start searching from the beginning of the string. Now, if I give a positive integer number, and if it is within the range of the number of characters in the string, then it will start searching from that location and onwards. So we're going to use that and try and solve this same definition. So first thing we'll do is store the value of the variable. Okay, in txt1 I'm going to read a string. Right, so A contains the string and I'm looking for the character A, small a, right? So what I mean by small a is if I have entered, then it should check whether there is only one A or not, one and only one A. So I'm going to need a few variables here. Okay, let B contain the position of the, now here I have not mentioned the second parameter, which means it is going to start searching from the first character. Now what I'll do is I'll search one more time, and this time I'm going to start my search of the character A, that small a, from the position after the first search. So if my first search was at the location, say 8, I want to start my search from the ninth location. So where is my location stored? It's stored in B. So I'll go with B plus 1, saying that find out the index of the first character, and from the next position you start the search for the second one. So that is what will come, and see if at all there is another A, the position of that A will be stored in C. So what am I basically interested in is there should be only one A, which means that B should have a number greater than or equal to 0. But the second search should yield a -1, which means that the second A we were looking for is not found. So my if condition would be if B is greater than or equal to 0 and C is -1, which means that one A was found, the second time search for A from the next position was not found. So I can go up and say, okay, I can go ahead and type in there's only one A, right? So this should give me the solution. So let us try entering a string, and it would say there is only one A. Had I entered A in capital, now since indexOf is a case sensitive search, it will not be able to find this capital A because we are looking for a small a. So obviously this message is somewhat not right. I can just go ahead and say uh, there is a no only one A or something, we can be a little more specific there. But yeah, we can just negate this statement and print in here. But basically, you must have understood that if the A is not found, it's going here and giving out the output. Um, if I give in, okay, there's an astringent. Now there are two A's, so I should get this output again. So it says, yeah, there are more than one A's. So basically, yeah, it is saying, there's no just one A. There may be no A's or there may be more than one A's. But yeah, my program is working fine. You can go ahead and try this. In fact, you can extend this definition and say now, okay, why just one A? Can we go ahead and solve, check whether there are exactly two A's or not? What would you do? When you are searching for two A's, you have to make sure that the first A finds a position which is not -1. The second search for A also finds the index number which is not -1. And the third use of indexOf should return the value -1. So 2 times is greater than equal to 0. The third time is -1. So once you understand this logic, you can extend it to n number of A's, or for that matter, any character. The only problem is, as the number of searches or occurrences that we are looking for increases, it would be a better option to use another method. But for now, we will stop here and I'll see you with the same definition using a different method in the next video.